What's y'all? It's your boy Payday, you heard me? I just want to let y'all know, you feel me? Today the first, I gotta go turn myself in, do these 21 month fed time. I be home in a year or something, you heard me? All my real people hold it down, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta say nothing, real recognize real, you feel me? One thing, man, you out here, bro, I want y'all to do one thing, you hear me? Man, watch these niggas, you feel me? Free my nigga Neek, free my nigga Dog, free my cousin Two, free everybody, you hear me? Free me today, you feel me? I'm gone, like a real nigga. Go do his time and come back. Never snitch, never told. Nigga, do your research. You hear me? Listen to my music. I put my life on these tracks, you feel me? This is what I do, you feel me? I love y'all. I'm coming back, you feel me? Way stronger, way smarter. So y'all get ready for the new me, you heard me? Payday gonna be back like all the Schwarzenegger say and Terminator, nigga, I be back. You feel me? All my people hold y'all head up, man. Fuck, I'm gone, but I ain't dead, you feel me? I'm coming back strong, you heard me? Way stronger than I was. I love everybody, you heard me? And I want everybody to stay safe and handle your business, man, you feel me? All my kids, daddy love you, you heard me? Believe that. No matter what, daddy love you feel me? And I'm gonna make a way, you already know that I just gotta go. I couldn't rat on nobody, man. I couldn't tell on nobody, man, where they do that at, you feel me? So look, I love y'all, and I'm gone, man. It's just my little bye message to y'all, let y'all know, man. I'ma hold it down, you feel me? I'm up in that bitch, you feel me? I'm gone, you feel me? Love y'all, one love.